This is the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 Tungsten, a truck that doesn't just haul cargo, it hauls luxury. Ram has taken everything we love about its powerful 1500 series and pushed it to an entirely new level. This isn't just a pickup, it's a statement. Bold, refined, and ready to conquer both city streets and muddy trails with the same attitude. Let's start with what you can't miss: the design. The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten wears confidence like armor. Its massive grille, finished in a satin chrome texture, gives off an unmistakable presence. The LED headlights now feature a slimmer, more aggressive profile, paired with dynamic turn signals that make it look straight out of a concept car. And check out those 22-inch polished wheels, unique to the Tungsten trim. Every line on the body feels sculpted for both aerodynamics and attitude. From the tungsten badging to the power-deploying side steps, Ram's attention to detail here screams premium. Step inside, and this is where the Tungsten truly separates itself from the rest. You're greeted by hand-wrapped quilted leather seats, finished in indigo and sea salt, an elegant two-tone combination you won't find in any other truck. The seats aren't just heated and ventilated, they're massaging. Yes, massaging in a pickup truck. Look up and you'll see a massive panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light. The suede headliner, aluminum accents, and real wood trims make this cabin feel more Bentley than work truck. In front of you sits a 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the dash. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Alexa built-in for full voice control. There's also a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, customizable with navigation, towing info, and performance stats. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Gone is the legendary HEMI V8, and in comes the all-new 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 engine. Don't worry, this isn't a downgrade. With up to 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, tech lovers, the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten features active driving assist, 360-degree surround view cameras, digital rear-view mirror, and even a night vision system using infrared sensors to detect pedestrians and animals in low light. You also get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Inside, there are dual wireless chargers, multiple USB-C ports, and even a 15-watt charging pad built right into the console. RAM made sure every inch of this truck works as hard as it looks. Think about it. You're getting a vehicle that can tow a boat, haul a trailer, take on dirt trails, and still pamper you with massaging seats and concert-level sound on the highway. This is more than a truck, it's a lifestyle machine. So, what do you think? Has Ram just built the ultimate luxury pickup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the cars and trucks redefining the road.